Much needed before vacation. I am so ready. Got my feet done. I got my legs waxed. About to get these raggedy nails done now. Woo! Thank God. I'm so ready to rent a boat and go out on the water today. So beautiful outside. Y'all, so I am in San Diego on vacation right now, okay? Why didn't anyone tell me to bring a comb and a brush for my wig? I have no comb, no brush. I didn't bring anything for my wig. So all I have is my fingers to detangle the wig and water. That's it for this whole trip. Luckily it's curly hair, so I shouldn't have any issues, but look at my wig over here. My wig is over there hanging up in the closet. I can't sleep with her because I don't have a comb or a brush to detangle her if I wake up in the morning. So first night, time to go eat at this little mini fish and chips place right by the hotel. Took a nap and I'm ready to eat now. Just a little update on my wig. It's doing good. It's doing fine. I didn't have a comb or a brush this morning. All I did was wet her with water early this morning before we went to breakfast. Ran my fingers through it really good, and that's it. But y'all know I like me some big hair, so. I didn't even show you guys yesterday's bathing suit, but here is today's bathing suit. High-waisted. Orange has been like the color. Yellow too this summer, but I didn't show my bathing suit from the other day. This is my bathing suit. It has a zipper on it, and the bottoms of this bathing suit is of course high-waisted again, and this whole outfit actually is from Fashion Nova. About to go eat. This restaurant right here is called Crushed. Thanks, Brittany, for the recommendation. I got the French toast, cinnamon roll pancakes, chips with ceviche, and of course, the shrimp tacos. This place is so good.